Hi, this is Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I want to talk about several business opportunities that I'm in, and also talk about no matter what opportunity that you're promoting, whether it's online or offline, there are certain things that you need to do in order to make commissions, okay? And they go, and these steps that you need to take, they work for any business that you may be in, not just the ones that I'm promoting. Okay, but first I want to quickly go over some of the business opportunities I'm in. I'm only in 3. The first one here is called the Fearless Momma, and with the Fearless Momma you learn different marketing strategies that you can use in any business, not just for promoting the Fearless Momma, but for promoting any business opportunity you're in. You'll learn Craigslist ads, solo ads, free classified ads training. There's other types of marketing training, how to market on Facebook for free, YouTube marketing. All of that is included in the Fearless Momma. Plus you get some bonuses, and there's a live class schedule. We have a class every week. And then there's some extra goodies in the back office, and there's also some resources that you'll want to take advantage of when you get into the Fearless Momma. And of course, you earn 100% instant commissions when you promote the Fearless Momma and someone joins you using your affiliate link, okay? The cost for the Fearless Momma is $250, and when someone joins you using your affiliate link, they pay you directly $250. You get to keep the entire commission. Alright, and one thing that I wanted to go over here in the bonuses section, bonus number 1, this is where you want to start off with when you get into the Fearless Momma. How to make your first $250 in just 72 hours. If you scroll down here, I have this part blocked off because there's some resources here that are only for members. But here, shortcut marketing guide to $250 payments. When you click on that, it gives you a daily method of operation that you can follow so you can make your first $250 commission. You want to follow that shortcut marketing guide, okay? It gives you step-by-step instructions on exactly how to generate your first commission, alright? So that's basically all I want to talk about with the Fearless Momma. The second business opportunity I'm in is called Funnel X ROI. Funnel X ROI isn't exactly a business opportunity, but it's a sales funnel system that has multiple streams of income. And right now there are 5 income streams inside this system. The first income stream is the business opportunity, which is Easy 1-Up. Again, just like with the Fearless Momma, Easy 1-Up, you can earn 100% instant commissions, and they have several different levels. You can get in for as little as $25 all the way up to $2,000, okay? And again, it's 100% commissions. And again, what you're learning in Easy 1-Up are internet marketing strategies, not just the marketing strategies, but also how to build an online business, and also how to market that business and make it grow, how to build like a membership site, how to become a social media authority. So there's lots and lots of good training inside of Easy 1-Up, depending on what level that you come in under, okay? Obviously, the higher level you come in at, the more advanced marketing training you'll get. And I want to apologize in advance right now because there's someone mowing the lawn outside at 8 o'clock at night. So if you hear any buzzing noise, that's what it is, okay? So again, the main business opportunity is Easy 1-Up, and then there are 4 other income streams that pretty much complement the business opportunity. So when you join these business opportunities, and all you have to do is promote one link, and let me show you real quick your links to promote. You click on that, and it'll take you to several different lead capture pages, also known as squeeze pages, that you can use. It'll have your affiliate link. All you have to do is promote that affiliate link, And when somebody clicks on that link and they activate their own Funnel X ROI system, and then they go in and configure their income streams, you'll receive commissions from whichever income streams that they set up for themselves. Okay, so you don't need a website, you don't need your own lead capture page. You just use one of the lead capture pages here. Okay, and there's also an email follow-up sequence where an email will go out every day to your leads. Once you configure the second income stream, which is GetResponse, that's an email autoresponder. And the owner of Funnel X ROI, the creator, his name is David Deagle, he has already written an email follow-up series that you can plug into your GetResponse account, so you don't have to write any emails. Okay, and once people click on the link here on your lead capture page, put in their email address, and go to the video sales presentation page, they also get added to your email list, and then they'll start getting those emails, those daily emails, automatically. Okay, so that's how you build your list. You contact your leads, and those leads, eventually some of them will become sales. They'll sign up with you and you'll earn commissions. Okay, so, and the same thing with the Fearless Mama, if I want to go back to that. Again, you don't need a website, you don't need your own lead capture page. When you click on activate email preference, there are several lead capture pages that you can choose from, and all you have to do is promote your link. Same thing with Funnel X ROI. Okay, and then with both systems, they actually show you how to promote your link. Okay, how to generate traffic. Now, the next program that I'm in is the 30-day success formula. This is a direct mail opportunity, but some people have been promoting this online too. So you can promote it both online and offline, or choose one or the other. You don't have to do both. Okay, but this is primarily a direct mail opportunity. You can get in for as low as $89, and they have several different levels. The highest level is $12,500. These are distributorship levels. Okay, they do have products, and you're becoming a distributor for their main product called the 30-day success formula courseware. Okay, there are 8 modules in the courseware. Again, the course is a course that will help you to start and build your own online business from A to Z in 30 days. Okay, so depending on which level you come in at, you'll get a certain number of those modules. Level 1, you get the first module. Level 2, you get the first 2 modules. Level 3, you get the first 4 modules. And levels 4, 5, and 6, you get all 8 modules of the course. Okay, and then they have some other products too, but these are mainly distributorship levels that you're purchasing. Okay, again, like I said, you come in for as low as $89. You earn $30 on the first level, $20 on the second level. Level 2 costs $250. You earn $100 from every direct sale, $50 from every indirect sale. Level 3 is $1,000. You earn $500 from every direct sale and $200 from every indirect sale, and so on and so on. Okay, and I'm not going to go over this entire sales letter that they have. It's a 6-page sales letter, and it'll explain everything about the 30-day success formula. If you want more information about it, you can always call the company. Let me just move this up here. You can call the company. They are pretty busy right now because they're getting a lot of people signing up and calling them. They get hundreds of calls per hour. Okay, they are in the process of hiring more people and training them. That does take some time, so be patient. You can always leave a message and they'll call you back. Okay, they're open 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Best time to call them is early in the morning or when they first open up. You can also email them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 30daysuccessformula@gmail.com. And if you want to know more about some of their products that they offer, you can go to their website, 30daysuccessformula.com, and then put in the access code, which is 12340. Okay, so this letter, I have a PDF copy of this letter that you can download, and the link for it will be right below this video in the description area, and you can read this letter at your leisure. It'll explain everything. Okay, and like I said, you can call them, email them, go to their website to find out even more information. Alright, so I'll leave a link for the PDF copy of this exact letter down below in the video, the video in the description area. Okay, now for any business opportunity that you're promoting, what you need to learn is that making money online and offline is a numbers game. And what I mean by that is that the more traffic you drive to an offer, the more leads you'll generate. And driving traffic is really not that difficult. There are many places to get traffic to go to your offer. Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Craigslist ads, placing free classified ads online, newspaper ads. Okay, you can create YouTube videos just like this one. Create YouTube videos on your own channel. Free Facebook marketing using your Facebook profile. Same thing with Instagram and LinkedIn. All of these different ways to generate traffic. So it's not really that difficult to drive traffic to your offer. Also, solo ads. You can buy a solo ad and drive a lot of traffic to your site. Okay. Now, again, the more traffic you drive to an offer, the more leads you'll generate. And the more leads you generate, the more sales you make, which means that you'll make more commissions. Okay? So what you should focus on is driving traffic to your lead capture page for your offer. So this is primarily for an online business. Okay? If you join Fearless Momma or Funnel X ROI, like I said, you don't need your own lead capture page. You don't need your own website. They already got the lead capture pages for you and the email follow-up series for you, both programs. All you have to do is drive traffic to the affiliate link for the lead capture page. Alright? Now, so you want to drive traffic to your lead capture page for your offer. Okay? And if you don't really know what a lead capture page is, it's just basically a page that has like an enticing headline that creates curiosity in the visitor. And that visitor will want more information about your business opportunities. So what they'll do is that they'll put in their email address, click the submit button to get more information, and then they'll be directed to your company's video presentation page. Okay? So they can get more information about the business. But at the same time, they also end up on your email list, so you can follow up with your leads. Because, and I say this in a lot of my videos, 99% of the time, people are not going to sign up in your business the first time they get exposed to it. So you need a way to follow up with them, and that's why you build an email list so you can follow up with them several times a week, preferably every day. Okay? This way, they get to know who you are, they get to know more about the business, they get to know what your results are in the business, what other people's results are in the business, and then they'll get to a point, some of them will, where they're ready to sign up under you in your business and you'll earn a commission. Okay? Now, you want to generate as many leads as you can afford from that traffic, okay? And follow up with your leads. You can drive traffic for as little as $50 a week using solo ads, okay? So if you have a limited budget, you can start off $50 a week and then work your way up. Once you start receiving commissions, use a portion of your commissions to generate even more traffic, okay? So you can get a bigger budget and generate more traffic and make even more commissions, okay? Again, you want to follow up with your leads several times a week, if not every day. And if you're doing this offline, specifically for 30 Days Success Formula, if If you're doing direct mail only, you want to do a mailing at least twice a month in the beginning, okay? And you want to mail as many flyers as you can afford for that month, okay? Now, you can either let the company do your mailings for you, so you just pay them to do the mailings for you twice a month, or you could do them yourself. Now, if you join under me in 30-Day Success Formula, I'm going to send you an invite link to our team's exclusive training group. And in that training group, you will get training and resources on how to do direct mail successfully. Okay? You'll get resources on discounts on envelopes, discounts on stamps, discounts on printing, and also resources on buying leads to mail your flyers to. Okay? And if you want to do this online, we also have training and resources there too, where you will learn how to build a sales funnel. And we also have people who will help you to build your own sales funnel to promote 30-Day Success Formula. So you will get an invite link to our team's exclusive training group once you join me in 30-Day Success Formula. And I receive your payment, I'll verify it with you, and email you that link, okay? So the key to success online and offline is to be consistent and be patient, okay? So you need to be consistent in driving traffic to your offer. Even if you're on a limited budget, you want to be consistent in driving traffic every week to your offer, especially online, okay? And like I said, offline, you want to be consistent in doing a mailing twice a month. And eventually, with the profits that you make from your mailings, you can do more mailings where you're mailing out once a week instead of twice a month. And then you're mailing out several times a week. That's the level you want to get to, okay? But start off where you can. Don't break the bank. Don't put yourself into debt trying to do this, okay? You know, whatever you can afford, just start off at the smallest part if you have to. $50 a week with solo ads, or if you can't afford that, you're going to have to use free traffic strategies, which take a little longer. Making YouTube videos or doing Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, $5 Craigslist ads, free classified ads, newspaper ads, those sort of things, okay? So, again, you have to be consistent in driving traffic because, again, this is a numbers game. The more traffic you drive, the more leads you'll get. The more leads you get, eventually the more sales and commissions you earn. Okay, so that's all I have for today. I'm going to go ahead and end this video now because the noise outside is getting on my nerves. I want to thank you again for watching this video. I'll leave links to all 3 opportunities below this video in the description area so you can check them out for yourself. Okay, thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.